The Sol Ark 12K is a game changer for anyone serious about energy independence. It's an all-in-one solar inverter that's perfect for various energy setups, including off-grid, grid-tie, and hybrid systems. What makes the Sol Ark 12K stand out is its power capacity. It delivers 12 kilowatts of continuous power, which is substantial enough to run an entire household. Whether you're preparing for a natural disaster, power outage, or simply aiming to cut down on your energy bills, the Sol Ark 12K has got you covered. One of the key features of the Sol Ark 12K is its high efficiency. Operating at 96%, it maximizes the energy generated from your solar panels, ensuring minimal waste. This efficiency is particularly important for preppers, as it means you can generate more power with fewer panels, saving space and reducing costs. Speaking of cost savings, the Sol Ark 12K is designed with built-in components that simplify installation, cutting down on labor and additional equipment expenses. Versatility is another strong point of the Sol Ark 12K. It supports a wide range of battery types, including lithium, lead-acid, and even saltwater batteries. This flexibility allows you to choose the battery that best fits your needs and budget. Plus, the system is expandable. If your power needs grow over time, you can easily add more solar panels and batteries to your setup, ensuring that your system can scale with your demands. For those concerned about security, the Sol Ark 12K offers optional EMP protection. In an era where the threat of electromagnetic pulses, EMP, is real, this feature provides peace of mind by protecting your system from potential damage. This is especially crucial for preppers who prioritize resilience in their planning. Furthermore, the Sol Ark 12K is not just about functionality, it's also about reliability. Designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and equipped with advanced monitoring capabilities, it ensures that you have a dependable power source at all times. The system's user-friendly interface makes it easy to monitor and manage your power usage, keeping you informed and in control. In conclusion, the Sol Ark 12K is more than just a solar inverter. It's a comprehensive power management solution. For preppers, survivalists, and anyone serious about energy independence, the Sol Ark 12K offers unparalleled efficiency, flexibility, and security. It's an investment in sustainability and self-reliance, ensuring that you and your family are prepared for whatever the future holds.